Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about controlling Poche. It's pretty easy. Before we do that, just quickly resolve a couple of things. You can, when you're in the camera view, you can always turn section box off. One thing to remember though is once you do this, it'll reset the section box, so you'll have to move it back in place. But something I didn't cover is that you can actually use these little triangles to push and pull the section box while you're in the view. They sometimes get a little bit hard to kind of recognize what it's doing or which direction it's going. So oftentimes I'll jump into the floor level or even an elevation and do that right click on the section box so I can see it. So maybe other notes would be to kind of control where you place the eye and how kind of close the camera is to the subject. I mean, this is as close as I would get. This is giving me a really good spatial feel for the section, but also the context. I always try to align my eye to at least a horizon line that somebody might actually be in. So if you're on the second floor, make sure that you're kind of putting the camera at the level of somebody who is on the second floor, so they can start to kind of feel that space as if they're present in that. So that's just a quick kind of aside. Alright, so Poche is just a material. So if you go into Manage, go to Materials, type in Poche, and you'll find it come up, and then it's really simple, and you just make it whatever you want. Just make it a dark gray or black or something of that nature. Try that again. Alright, so it wants me to do the cut pattern, which makes sense. I just wasn't paying attention. Alright, so once again. Easy peasy. Alright.